Happy Sunday. I did.
You want to go closer?
No, it's okay. Anyway, Buddy and I just finished out at Legend dim sum because I've been craving dim sum. You know that I've been we ate a lot of dim sum on my trip, so I've been kind of craving it. But anyway, we're in Chinatown. Obviously, that's where you probably get the best dim sum. Where are we off to next? Regal? Donuts? Nothing. There we go to Regal, but Buddy has some errands to run. I know I said I was gonna vlog on IG story, but I can't decide if I want to do more there, more here. I'll figure it out. Okay, I gotta walk off this dim sum. So I still haven't figured out how I want to do this. If I want to vlog on IG, when I want to do it, and when I want to vlog regular. Yeah, I'll figure something out. I'm thinking maybe like the days that like I work and do repetitive things, then that'll be good for like regular Instagram story vlogging. And when I do a lot of stuff, regular vlogging would be better. I don't know, that's where I'm gearing to. We'll see. Like I always said, I don't know if I stick with stuff. I don't stick with stuff all the time, so yeah. Yes, I like scallops. We're in the Sheffield. What is it?
Social crab case.
We're in the seafood section here. We've been here many times before.
It's a place that said on Ancestry.com.
Where you're from?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Buddy's sister did the DNA testing, the one my mom did. I kind of want to do mine because my dad's not here, obviously, so I can't do it. So I would like to do it.
It's the one that they eat on we put on the sushi. Oh, my favorite.
I never said it before, but Chef's On is just like Costco's. And it's free membership, actually. But it has a lot of Asian, more Asian, because it's made for restaurants here, so a lot of Asian and local stuff here. And the big boba section in the back. I could make boba. I could have a boba party if I wanted to. Oh my gosh, look at this cookie bowl. But all this stuff here. It's all seafood. So cute. And then Hawaiian pie. This is what Buddy one day wants to get.
Wagyu tomahawk.
Wagyu tomahawk. $2.9 per pound.
2 pounds. 2 pounds.
It's about 37.
Prime porterhouse. 2.5. Almost 2.5 pounds. Look at this bad boy.
One day we'll get this for Buddy.
Oh, I'll get it. This with the tomahawk?
Yeah.
Outside, that's probably a $200 guarantee. Here is super cheap.
Oh no. Battery's gonna die on my phone. No, on my camera, so I'm gonna use phones. But it's nice and chilly in here. Yesterday in the mail I got these glasses. My key glasses. These are the Saharas. These are Desi Perkins. And they're very similar to the high key. So I got this one. I have big cheeks regardless. I tried the high key on. My friends had them, and whenever we went on our trip, and I tried them on when we were in Nordstrom, and I liked it. Bought these because they were friends and family 20% off at the end of March, and I just got them yesterday. I ordered them at the end of March. It took almost a month, so like, well, 3 weeks, but it took a really long time to get here. After the fact that I ordered them, actually, one of the doctors I work with, she says, I heard that the shipping takes a long time. I have the OTL, the turquoise-ish looking one, but I'm in the bathroom because I need to wash my brushes. I put on makeup today, so they're dirty, and I'm just gonna show you what I use. Behind the camera. I've been using this, the Brahmers. I use the lavender one, just because. So I am gonna do that. Let me take off my ring. I'll be back. I need my beauty blender. Little delay on brushing the brushes. Buddy needed something to wake him up, so we just came to. He got a Red Bull. I got a hand roll jelly and some bubbly water. Grilling some steak and asparagus and Brussels sprouts on the grill. And my task is to, well, cook rice and to do this coconut bread shrimp. I guess I'm gonna deep fry it. Is it good? Shrimp in here. You should have been the chef. Coconut shrimp is so good. It's missing. It's good by itself, but have you had the sweet chili sauce? Oh my god, chef's they have like, it's like perfect for, I know it's made for restaurants, but it's perfect for like if you're having a big party, pupus, everything is made there for you. We had like breaded calamari last time, but he made that. That was good too. But coconut shrimp, can't go wrong. And I think a box was just like 20 somewhat dollars. You buy 2 of them. Feed so much people. And then we got, of course, sprouts, probably asparagus, steak, and this coconut shrimp. So I'm just waiting for the rice to finish, and then I can eat. I'm hungry because the only meal we had was dim sum this morning, and that was all the way this morning. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's a day of eating and shopping around. I think when we have a lot of stuff to do, or if I'm off or something, or just when we have a lot of stuff to do, and I'll probably vlog regular, which meaning I'm vlog on this camera and upload it to YouTube. If I don't have much going on and like it's not enough for a full vlog or whatever be, I'll just probably do mini vlogs on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there already, it's Dena Buddy, together, just one word, and follow there so you can see my Instagram story. Oh, and if you love food, 808 Food Zombies, check that out. I post a lot of the food picture stuff on there, more that's mainly for food. But yeah, so that's my plans. My plan. I'm always trying to figure out something with this whole thing with YouTube, with vlogging, all this kind of stuff. I don't have anything set, and life gets in the way sometimes. So not in the way, but life happens, and things change. So don't hold me to it that I'm gonna keep up with it, but I'm gonna try my best to do it. But yeah, that is my plan. If you want to follow me there, if you're not already, hope you guys had a great weekend, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Just bye.